Up next, we have a presentation on the topic Sustainable Cooling with Energy Efficiency and Enhanced Indoor Air Quality by Mr. Anil Thaman, Sir, co-founder, National Enviro Tech Solutions. Also, I got to know a very interesting fact about Sir, that he has won the World Handwriting Contest thrice. So I'm really eager to look forward to your work, Sir. Can we please have a big round of applause, everyone?
A very warm good afternoon to everybody. This is Anil Thaman. I've heard that only the brave people dare to speak after lunch. It's very difficult for him to speak, and it's also very difficult for the people to concentrate. Ladies and gentlemen, greetings from Kathmandu. I'm Anil Thaman. I'm an Indian staying in Nepal. And the common thread what we all have is that we are connected somehow or the other with the railways. My father, he's 97 years old. He is an ex-railway employee. And I belong to that era where I used to see that steam engine myself, I'm going to present to you something very, very unique, which probably will help railways to save a lot of electricity bills. Few facts about Indian Railways. It consumes over 20 billion kilowatt of electricity annually. Just think about it. Over 68,000 kilometers of track network has been laid down. The largest green railway network in the world. Here comes the big thing. 95% of the track electrification has been done. Imagine how much of electricity is being consumed. I believe Honorable Prime Minister has already said that the mission is to save 40,000 crores INR by 2028. As you all know, the best way would be to use the efficient systems for traction as well as non-traction systems. I'm honored to introduce Continuum, the most practical, straightforward and easy solution to reduce HVAC energy consumption and improves air quality. What is this product all about? Very, very simple device. It's 49 by 48 centimeter, 220 grams is the weight. The major property is that it radiates far infrared rays, and it also has negative ionizations. If you look at it closely, these specially patented minerals combined with natural ceramics embedded into honeycomb structure of polyethylene frame. Polyethylene because it has got a life of more than 20 years, and it's also flexible. The most important part, after 12 years of rigorous research in Japan, it has been patented in Japan, and as you know, getting patented in two of the most difficult countries in the world, or rather three, third would be India also, that Japan patented and USA patented itself proves the credibility of the brand itself. We are committed to support sustainability and net zero goals of Indian Railways. We'll try our best. In the morning session, Anil Khandelwal sir said, there's a lot of opportunities for startups like us, who's got a vision and mission to come forward and see to it that India also achieves net zero status by 2040, 2050 or 2060, whatever is there. This technology is applicable for all types of HVAC, of traction and non-traction. I'm sure some of you will not be believing this, that it can save 15% to 25%. Ladies and gentlemen, we mean it. We have proved it and will still be proving it. That's the reason we are here. How does it work? Because I've been allocated only 8 minutes, so I have to make sure that by 7 minutes, 50 seconds I should be able to complete this. So in a very brief way, I'll take it forward. My stall is right there, and more details are required, I'll be able to give the full presentation. Now without continuum nets, with continuum nets, final effect. What we do, these nets, when they are placed behind the filter, in front of the cooling coil, The air which comes is already positive charged. These nets are negatively charged, and when the air passes through, it has oscillation moment. As I said, negatively charged. It's about 2,900 or rather 3,000 volt. As you know, water molecules keep on oscillating. They've got a natural property. So what they do, this net, when the air passes, because it's also negatively charged and it's far infrared rays, so the oscillation of both the net and the water molecules are displaced and thus gives better contact with the cooling coil. This is the only simple technology. Better contact with the cooling coil. When it has got better cooling contact with the cooling coil, the result is that the compressor load is reduced because the set point or the set temperature is achieved in a faster way. If the set temperature is 24, let's say, and it takes 20 minutes, while displacing the water molecules, the set temperature will be achieved by 20 minutes, and thus that 4 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes of compressor load is reduced. Secondly, I could see that some people are more comfortable because of the duct and the AC air, which is cold, and some people are not very comfortable because the temperature variation in this hall will be 4 to 5 degrees from one corner to another corner. With this technology, the cooling comfort is homogeneous. Only 1 to 2% is the difference. This is the test what we have done in a laboratory of Japan. You'll be surprised if I take out my air quality monitor over here and put it up here, to be very, very honest. Delhi is polluted, no doubt about it. And so is the many, many countries. PM 2.5 level is at a very, very alarming rate. Here, the PM 2.5 level I measured yesterday is more than 45. It should not be more than 5 to 6. So this technology, because it's negatively charged, it helps reduction of PM 2.5 by 20 to 40%, and it has been proven. In the railway compartment, I'm sure the many, many senior people like over here, you also would like to see that the अगर गति से प्रगति करनी तो रेल चाहिए, तो गति से जो ट्रेन चलेगी और लोग उसके अंदर होंगे तो पॉल्यूशन भी बहुत ज़्यादा होता है सर. So we can assure that with this small technology, the passengers traveling will also have better quality, sir. This is the technology. I'll come to later on. Installation is very simple. It's retrofit. Just takes 2 minutes, not more than that. कुछ आपको करना नहीं है. इसको प्लास्टिक टाई से बांध देना कूलिंग कॉइल के पास में and forget about it, sir. No maintenance required. Zero maintenance. सोप वाटर से फिल्टर साफ किया, ये साफ कर दिया सर. 20 years of guarantee what we give, sir, against the performance. Easy to cut. It can fit in any type of HVAC system. Placement options. As I said, it should be very close to the cooling coil. Now, our contribution for the Indian market, you must be thinking कि ये तो launch कर रहा है, पता नहीं सही होगा कि नहीं होगा, क्या चीज़ है क्या नहीं. We first tried it out in hospitality sector. We launched it in 2022. Energy saving on air conditioning systems, children AHU, was 21.2%, sir. And believe me, none other than one of the most reputed organizations, ITC Limited. I'm sure you must have heard about ITC Limited. You know, having more than 100 odd hotels, they've got cigarette factories, they've got printing units, they've got so many things. They tried it out, this technology, for 4 months rigorously. And today, I'm very honored to tell you that we have been successful installed in more than 20 hotels. I'm actually very sad today to let you know something very, very close to my heart. I'm thankful to the host who actually gave us the time of saying, you know, goodbye to Ratan Tata ji, who has been source of inspiration for all of us. There's a meeting tomorrow in TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, which is due for our company, and I join everyone to ensure that in TCS, they have called us, we'll make sure that the commitment what we're making, we shall be able to complete it. And this is a small, I would say, contribution from our side, sir. These are the certain installations what we have done. We are present in more than 26 countries. As you know, Japanese are very, very conservative. They try it out first in their country, and after that they're successful, only then they give it out. With great difficulty, we got this agency for India, Nepal and UAE, and I'm here to launch this for the railways, because railway is a big consumer of electricity. Few of the clients of India, TCS, the Leela Group, Unilever, ICICI Home Finance, international clients, Coca-Cola, Capital Land, Jim Thompson, Nissan, Toyota, you name it, and we have done it, sir. Small contribution from my side. I'm a co-founder, Jatin is another co-founder, and we are here to serve you. As ma'am mentioned that I'm a world champion in handwriting, this is also sustainability, because everybody who are sitting back at backside, they're using more of keyboards rather than the people who are front over here, sitting over here. We have always written by hand, sir. So I want to revive this dying art, and it's going to be an honor for me to write the name of your near and dear ones. If anybody wants, I've got a whole kit of my pen and paper, so I will be writing it over there. With this, thank you very much to the organizers. Thank you very much, and looking forward for a sustainable India. Thank you very much. Japan and USA, sir.
Okay. USA maybe a little later.
Sorry, sir?
USA perhaps a little later.
Yes.
Japan 2012.
They patented it, no, they patented it in Japan first and then US later.
Okay. So are Japanese railways using it?
The answer is no. It's a question of application.
Any other railway anyway using
Not yet, sir. India will be the first railway which will be using it. Normally how we do it, we do a proof of concept. You give us any station, any bogie, any compartment, there is a procedure which we will be doing it, sir, and that is free of cost. Your engineers, my engineers, will be doing a baseline for 1 month. A baseline study will be conducted, a baseline is going to be created, then we'll be installing the nets, and then again for 1 month we'll be monitoring the data pre and post after the installation, sir, and that is going to be validated by your engineers and our engineer, and if the results are what we have committed, we do business, sir, and that's how it's done, sir. And we are committed for Indian Railways. Anybody from railways would like to guide us that, okay, this is a railway station or this is the place where you have to do it, a data center, you know, where the consumptions are more, we're ready to do that, and we will keep our commitment, sir. Thank you very much for asking the question, sir. Thank you. I hope I have satisfied you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your insightful presentation. Up next, we have a presentation by Mr. Vikram Shinde, sir, Senior Deputy Director, Automotive Research Association of India, on need of innovative testing facility, infrastructure for railways and metro sectors. May we have a big round of applause for sir, everyone? I said energy is not there, I believe. I need a big round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Do we have among us Mr. Anil Thaman, sir? I request Manoj sir to please present token of gratitude to Mr. Anil Thaman, sir. Can we please have a big round of applause, everyone? I only see a very few hands clapping among the audience. Please cooperate. Thank you so much.